Hello and welcome. In this video, we will create a 3D design and a 2D drawing of the metal plate of a 3D printer. This metal plate is also called a corner bracket or a triangular corner plate. This is used in 3D printers to stabilize and stiffen the aluminum extrusion joints. Learn Fusion 360 in 30 days. For free on YouTube, only on Royal Mechanical. In this video, we will learn how to launch Autodesk Fusion 360, hide the data panel, show the data panel, create a new project, create a new folder, unhide the origin, create a sketch, sketch lines, sketch dimensions, modify dimensions, finish the sketch, extrude new body, sketch circles, swap normal sketch entities to construction sketch entities, select sketch entities, apply equal constraint, apply coincident constraint, extrude cut, create a fillet, select overlapping features, save the file, create the drawing, create a base view, create center marks, create dimensions, vertical, align a dimension, create a projected view, create an isometric view, create text, and export PDF drawing. So let's get started. Observe. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. If you want me to create more such videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Royal Mechanical. Happy learning!